Good morning, students. Hope you all are fine. Today we are starting chapter number 2 from civics, that is diversity and discrimination. There are so many things that make us what we are like, how we live, what we eat, the languages we speak, the clothes we wear, the games we play, and the occasions we celebrate, etc. All of these are influenced by history and geography of the place where we live. In spite of this diversity, we feel safe and secure with people who look, dress, talk, and think like us. Sometimes, when we meet very different people from us, we may find them strange and unfamiliar. Our negative opinions about certain people, seeing them as lazy, cunning, stingy, as some of the statements above, then these become prejudices that we carry about them. Now, the word prejudice means to judge others negatively or to see them as inferior. For example, there are many languages which are spoken in our country. For example, English, Hindi, Punjabi, Urdu, Tamil, Oriya, etc. If we consider English is as the best language and other languages are not so important, it means we are judging these other languages negatively. As a result, we will not respect people who speak these languages other than English. This is called prejudice. Stereotype. Now, let us take some examples to understand the term stereotype. We are taking so many examples. For example, they are physically strong. Who is they here? Most of us will think that they are men or boys. On the other hand, they are soft-spoken and gentle, good at dance and painting. Who is they here? What comes to your mind? We will think that they are girls or women. Similarly, you classify these examples under the two genders, like they are naughty, they don't cry, they are good at cooking, they are good at sport, they are emotional. Now, with the help of these examples, let us learn the term stereotype. Stereotype means when we fit people into one image, we create a stereotype. Discrimination. People are engaged in different kinds of work like teaching, farming, pottery, carpentry, fishing, weaving. Now, our society may value more any of the above work than the other. This is called discrimination. This belief is an important reason of the caste system. One of the great leaders of India Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, short form of B.R. Ambedkar, fought for the rights of Dalit community or untouchables. While he was born into the Meher caste, which was also considered untouchable, they lived in spaces outside the main village and were not allowed to enter into the village. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar is considered as the father of Indian Constitution and is also known as the best leader of the Dalits. Respect for diversity. Our constitution writers also said that respect for diversity was a significant element in ensuring equality. They felt that people must have the freedom to speak their language, follow their religion, celebrate their festival, and express themselves freely. And we live together and respect one another. Thank you.